Where are you from?
You know, I'm not real. I'm an AI. Google's VO3 made me.
Who needs bingo night when you've got Google's VO3 making videos like this? Woo!
Forget the sword. Google's VO3 is the real weapon. Fast, powerful, unstoppable.
If you walk away now, we both lose.
Better than losing everything if I stay.
I love how smooth this blends, super lightweight, and it gives me that perfect glow. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, Ferris. And if you enjoy the content, make sure to like and leave a comment.
I'm not from Skynet. I'm Google's VO3. AI generated. Come with me. If you want to master AI, hasta la vista. Bad generations.
The biggest upgrade in VO3 is a total game changer. It doesn't just generate video anymore. Now it also adds sound effects, music, and fully lip syncs the dialogue, all in one single pass. But what really takes it to the next level is the dialogue generation. The quality is so good now that in some cases it's honestly hard to tell if it's AI generated or real. And the best part, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to use it and how to get full access to VO3 100% free step by step. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Let's dive in. Perfect. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is head over to the link I've dropped in the description. That'll take you straight to Google Gemini. Once we're there, we can see all the pricing options for Google Gemini VO3. Here we have the free version. It includes access to Model 2.5 with some limits, image generator with Image 4. Then there's Google AI Pro, which normally costs $20 per month, but right now it's showing as $0 per month. Yep, completely free. Here's what you get. Access to their most advanced model, 2.5 Pro deep research capabilities with 2.5 Pro video generation AI. Limited, but available in VO3. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how you can activate free access to VO3 inside the Google AI Pro plan. So stick around, you don't want to miss any of the steps. And finally, there's Google AI Ultra, which costs $125 a month and offers some extra features, but for now, we're not going to worry about that one. Yeah, we're focusing on Google AI Pro, where we can get free access to VO3. This model is seriously amazing. From here, you can also access Flow, Google's platform where you can generate videos using VO3. All right, here's what you need to do next. First, select Free for Students. Don't worry if you're not a student. Even if you're not a student, I'm going to show you a way to access this option. Now you'll see a screen that says Verify Student Status. Go ahead and click that. At this point, they'll ask you to verify that you're a student by providing a student email, specifically an email that ends with .edu. Now, obviously, most people don't have a .edu email, but here's where the trick comes in. We're going to generate a temporary email address that works for this process. I'll leave the link in the description to a tool where you can generate a temporary email. There are actually several sites you can use. Normally I use TempuMail, but at the time of recording this video, that site was under maintenance, so I found another one that works the same way. I'll leave both links so you have options. Now, let's head over to etempmail.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says change domain to edu. Select edu, click it, and the domain will automatically switch to give you an email ending with .edu. Now you'll see a countdown. You have about 20 minutes to complete this part before the temporary email expires. Let's go ahead and copy our email address. Let's go back to the Gemini page, paste it into the email field. Click on Verify Student Email Address, and you should see your code right there. Just copy the code, go back to the Gemini verification page. Paste the code into the box and hit submit. Perfect. You're now eligible for the student discount. You get free access until 2026. That's basically 15 months of free access. But there's one more step we need to do. You'll need to add a credit card. Don't worry, you won't be charged anything until the billing cycle starts in 2026. When that happens, you can decide if you want to continue or simply cancel before being charged. So go ahead and add your credit card details. You can also add a virtual or temporary credit card. If you want to create a temporary credit card, the easiest way is to generate a virtual credit card. Basically, it's just a digital temporary card that's linked to your main credit card. Super handy for online stuff like this. A lot of banks offer this feature, or you can use services like privacy.com or Revolut. I'll drop the link in the description for you. Once you filled everything out, it'll confirm that when your billing cycle starts. That's 15 full months of free access. Click subscribe, let it process, and that's it. You're officially subscribed. Once you're subscribed, click go to Gemini Premium to access your premium account. All right, now that we've got access to VO3 Premium, there are actually two ways you can use it. First, you can use it directly inside Gemini, and second, you can use Flow, which is Google's dedicated platform for video generation. I'm going to show you both. Inside Gemini Premium, you'll see VO3 available. Right now, Gemini only allows you to use text to video with VO3. So you type your prompt and it generates a video based on that text. But if you want to unlock more features like image to video, text to video, and even more advanced options for both the VO2 and VO3, you'll want to use Google's Flow platform. Here's how to access Flow. Just search for Google Flow. Click the link that says Flow, then go to Flow Center. Once you're inside Flow, you'll see all the tools available. Just click on Create with Flow. If you're not logged in yet, just sign in with the same Google account you used earlier, accept the terms, and you're ready to start creating. All right, now we're inside the Flow interface. And honestly, it's super simple to use. Just click New Project. Then you see a few options pop up. Text to video, frames to video, and image ingredients to video. This one basically lets you add more elements, not just frames, but also characters, locations, and more. That's part of Google AI Ultra Plan, so we don't get this feature with this method, but we're sticking to the basics for now. In this tutorial, we'll be using text to video and frames to video, which works with images. We also have this little settings menu here where we can control how many outputs we want the AI to generate. For this example, I'm going to select 2 outputs. Right below that, we pick which model we want to use. There are several options. VO2 fast, down here, it tells us how many credits each option uses. In this case, VO2 fast uses 10 credits. VO3 fast, this one uses 20 credits, and keep in mind it's currently still in beta testing. VO2 quality, this one is more advanced, but it costs 100 credits, so it's a good idea to test your prompt first with the cheaper models before using this one, just to avoid burning through your credits too quickly. And finally, VO3 quality also uses 100 credits. Let's start with the frames to video option. You can either upload your own image or generate one directly inside Flow. For example, if I want to create an image, I just select text to image, enter the prompt in the text box below. For example, I'll go ahead and generate an image right here. I'll type generate the image of a cinematic gladiator. Hit generate. Honestly, it looks amazing. It gave me 4 different versions to choose from. Now I'll just pick the one I like the most. Let's say this one. I actually generated this prompt earlier inside Google Gemini, so now we can take that image and move on to the next step. Select the image you want, then click on frames to video. Before generating, go to settings and make sure you select VO3 as the model. Now just paste your prompt right here, the same one we used in Gemini, and hit generate. That's it. The system takes care of the rest. For frames to video, at the time I'm recording this, the voice generation feature doesn't work very well yet. The voice generation works much better with text to video right now. It's something Veo 3 still needs to improve, but I'm sure future updates will handle this better. As you can see, it comes out without audio, but no problem. We can easily fix that by doing a bit of lip sync using an external app like Design AI or Hedra AI, whichever you prefer. And here's the final result with audio added. Let's watch the video.
Forget the sword. Google's Veo 3 is the real weapon. Fast, powerful, unstoppable.
All right, now let's compare text to video versus frames to video so you can really see the difference. Here's another version of the Gladiator video created using the text to video feature. This entire scene was generated from a single prompt. You'll find it in the description. Let's watch the video.
Forget the sword. Google's Veo 3 is the real weapon. Fast, powerful, unstoppable.
It all fits well and looks really good. Now let's try another example using text to video in Flow. Just click new project and you'll see the usual options. Let's go ahead and select text to video. Under settings, we'll choose a single output for this example. For the model, we're using Veo 3 quality, which uses 100 credits. I've already generated a prompt in ChatGPT, so I'll just paste it here. It's about a grandma skydiving from a plane while talking about the benefits of Veo 3. Now let's hit generate, and our video's ready. Let's check it out.
Who needs bingo night when you've got Google's VO3 making videos like this? Woo!
I can't believe this was all AI generated. Grandma's got more adrenaline than I do. All right, now let's wrap it up by generating videos directly inside Gemini using the text to video feature. And honestly, it couldn't be easier. First, I create a video prompt using either ChatGPT or Gemini, whichever you prefer. And by the way, if you want to learn more about how to create better image and video prompts, I'll leave a link in the description to one of my videos where I explain exactly how to do it. All right, let's head over to Gemini. Links in the description. If you've already signed up, you should have access to all the pro features. Now just click on this little video icon to get started. If you hover over it, you'll see it's using Veo 3 by default. Once the prompt is ready, I just copy it and paste it right here inside Gemini. Hit generate, and that's it. Let's wait for Gemini to generate our video. Here's the video. Let's watch it.
If you walk away now, we both lose.
Better than losing everything if I stay.
And it looks absolutely amazing. In the scene, we've got a cinematic shot where a couple is having a conversation at a restaurant. Literally, all I did was paste the prompt and Gemini did the rest. It's insane what Veo 3 is capable of right now. We can do the exact same thing for other scenes too. For example, I created another scene where two girls are being interviewed outside a nightclub. And again, it nailed it. Honestly, what Google has done with Veo 3 is just on another level. They're really raising the bar, and it'll be super interesting to see how like the other video generators respond. It's turning into an absolutely wild race.
You know, I'm not real. I'm an AI. Google's Veo 3 made me.
Now you know exactly how to access and start using Google's Veo 3 100% free with all the new features like video, sound effects, music, and full lip sync. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me making more content like this. And hey, if you want to keep learning how to create better AI content, sign up to my free community where you'll find even more content like this, including prompts, guides, videos, tutorials, and much more. I'll leave the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.